friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Team Group's mighty Team Xtreem DDR5 memory. So friend, Team Group unveiled its mighty Team Xtreem DDR5 memory for overclocking at the 2023 Computex, and these modules are designed such that their PCBs are shorter than their height, and instead of cramming RGB LEDs on the top, the 2 mm thick aluminum heat spreaders turns into an extruded heatsink, and some of the higher speed version of these run at DRAM voltage as high as DRAM voltage as high as 1.45 volts, so the heatsink design should come in handy, and the T-Force Xtreem comes in speed ranging between DDR5-6400 and DDR5-8266, and the capacity ranging from 16 GB going all the way up to 16 GB, and the T-Force Xtreem RGB has an additional design element in the form of an acrylic RGB LED diffuser, although from the looks of it, and this acrylic bead seems to be covering the fins of a heat spreader, and it comes in the same speed base and capacity base variant as the regular Xtreem DDR5. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.